What if your next home didn't come from concrete or steel, but grew like a living organism? Imagine walls that repair themselves, breathe with you, and keep you warm in winter and cool in summer. This isn't a sci-fi fantasy. It's the revolutionary promise of Mycelium, the hidden fungal network beneath our feet. The question is, can mushrooms really build the homes of our future? For centuries, humans relied on stone, brick, and steel to build civilizations. But with climate change and rising resource demands, those materials now feel outdated. Architects and scientists are turning to an unlikely hero, fungi. Deep in the soil, mycelium creates vast networks that are strong, flexible, and sustainable. Could this ancient organism hold the blueprint for tomorrow's homes? Beneath the forest floor, mycelium acts like nature's internet, connecting trees, recycling nutrients, and forming structures tougher than concrete. Scientists discovered that, when grown in molds, this living network can harden into building blocks strong enough for walls and insulation. Already, eco-labs and companies are experimenting with mushroom bricks, insulation panels, and even furniture. These materials are lightweight, fire-resistant, and can self-heal if damaged. Imagine a home where the walls not only protect you, but also regenerate like living tissue. What would such homes look like? Architects envision glowing, organic shapes, curved walls that grow from the ground, bioluminescent fungi lighting rooms at night, and eco-villages that expand naturally without polluting the earth. From tiny houses to skyscrapers, the possibilities are endless. Of course, the idea faces skepticism. Traditional builders question durability, while regulations slow down large-scale adoption. And while mushroom bricks are cheaper long-term, the initial cost can be higher. The path from lab prototype to your neighborhood still has hurdles to clear. Yet momentum is growing. From NASA exploring fungal habitats for Mars missions to urban planners eyeing sustainable city blocks, the vision is no longer just theory. Mycelium homes could redefine green living, proving that the future of housing may be less about steel and more about the quiet power of fungi. So, will tomorrow's skylines be built not with glass and concrete, but with mushrooms? The answer may shape not only our homes, but the survival of our planet itself. Stay curious, subscribe to Fact Flare Fusion, and keep exploring the extraordinary future waiting just beneath our feet.